Making your first sale online from sharing your knowledge and expertise is one of the best feelings you can have as a content creator. It opens your eyes to new freedom and new opportunities that never seemed possible before. Unfortunately, for many new entrepreneurs, the dreams of financial, location, and time freedom quickly evaporate into a reality of working longer and harder for less to keep their business going.
Work never ends around here, really.
What sets those that thrive apart from those struggling to survive? One word: scale. If you can scale who and how you serve, you can scale your ability to earn to truly achieve the freedom you deserve. And that's where this fifth and final way to make money online with your knowledge takes the cake. It's a business model our own Searchie co-founder Stu McLaren is recognized as the leading expert for worldwide. To start a membership site. And just before we go into it, be sure to smash the thumbs up button. So the advantages of starting a membership site: you're able to leverage both pre-recorded and live content. You're able to reach a wider global audience at scale. So there's tremendous community building opportunities through launching a membership site. People love feeling a part of things, right? People like joining teams and being part of community of like-minded individuals. So a membership is a great way to do that. Another great advantage is predictable recurring revenue. This can be one of the strongest profitable models. The membership, there's a reason why things like, Netflix and your gyms and all of that have a membership or a subscription model. And it's because of that predictable recurring revenue that is going to be coming in month after month after month based on the number of members that you have. In addition to this, with that predictable income and that recurring revenue opportunity, there's more time and location freedom. Overall, a lot more freedom and flexibility with the membership model. That being said, it does come with some limitations, and that typically comes around, creation, right? So content creation and management, it can be quite demanding to keep up with the membership demands, and it's going to require some planning and some work ahead of time, whether that's pre-recorded content, whether it's mixing in live content with it. You really got to map out how to put things all together there. The second limitation is member retention and engagement. So it's not really like a course where you can just kind of put it out there and people just kind of go through it at their own pace and complete it or don't. With a membership, you really want to keep your members engaged in interacting with both your content and perhaps with each other, because that's all part of building a quality experience as a membership. You want people to feel engaged. You want to be able to retain them for a long time, because that's what's going to allow you to have that predictable recurring revenue. And then again, there is the time demand for the length of that membership. So if you're putting out, live content or doing some sort of like recurring or frequent updates or content pieces as part of the membership, there is going to be those time demands or those content requirements. How do you get started with the membership site? Number one, as always, you got to identify your niche and your target audience. The more specific you can be with that, the better. You're also going to want to define a specific goal for your membership as well. Next, you're going to map out the content into modules and lessons. And you're going to start with, how do you go from A to B? Or depending on how many steps there are, how do you go from A through B, C, D, all the way to Z? You've got to map out the content and the chronological order of the lessons to kind of get someone from where they're starting to where you want them to get to. Next, of course, you have to choose a platform, and the platform that allows you to create the best experience for your members. The best platform to create, host, and deliver your membership is Searchie. You've got personalized content opportunities. You've got searchable content. There's achievements that your members can obtain. There's the member directory. There's so many features that are built specifically to enhance your memberships and take them to the next level, provide your members with the best overall experience possible. That is going to be the place you're going to want to host it. So go check it out again in the description below. Once you have that, you're going to promote and again, attract your ideal audience. Much like with coaching, you really want to target your content or position your content in a way that it attracts your ideal audience that is one, gonna find huge benefit in what you're providing in your membership. Two, is going to actually be able to complete whatever requirements there are of the membership to get the end result from it. Three, people that you want to hang out with, you want to interact with, right? And then the last step is obviously to serve your members, to provide that content, to show up, and to create an amazing experience. So whether you're hosting online challenges, creating courses, a private podcast, coaching, or starting a membership site, you've got tons of options now to monetize your expertise. And to help you really jumpstart on memberships that we talked about today, our co-founder and membership expert Stu McLaren created an amazing free guide on how to launch a successful and profitable membership site. It teaches you the exact steps to take to build a successful membership business around what you already know, love, and do. If you're ready to take back your time and start attracting a community of paying members, use the link below to go download the free guide right now. And if you notice, there was one common theme among all five. It just so happens a platform I know pretty well is the best place to host, manage, and sell your courses, coaching, memberships, and more. So if you want a chance to check it out for free, go ahead, click the link below and get started on a free trial with Searchie so you can see how quick and easy it can be to monetize your knowledge and start your own one-person business today. And to make your next launch an even bigger bang, you'll want to check out this video where I walk you through the easy way to get more clients by showing you how to become a lead generation machine with AI. So go give it a watch. And if you don't want to miss more valuable insights and business building strategies, make sure you subscribe and turn notifications on, and I'll see you in the next one.